magic.
Hello friend, my name is Dr. Amrita. Today we will discuss about the evolution. Do you know how life actually began on earth? Why giraffe have long necks? Today we will understand evolution. This is the backbone of biology and one of the most important chapter for board exam and NEET examination. Now let's evolution में विकास सिर्फ शरीर का नहीं था, सोच का भी था. Please think on that. First, we will discuss very confusing topic from evolution, that is homologous divergent and analogous convergent. Remember like this: homologous divergent HD and analogous convergent AC. Now, first we understand the homologous. What is homologous? Homologous organs are organs that have same structure, same origin, but different functions. Best example of that is human arm. Human arm have this bone name is humerus and radius and ulna, 2 bones in forearm. But in cheetah legs, 4 limbs of cheetah, like front legs of cheetah have also humerus, radius and ulna. The same in whale and bat also. The bat wing also have humerus, radius and ulna, and whale also have humerus, radius, ulna, phalanges and metaphalanges found in all 4: man, cheetah, whale and bat. They have similar structures. They have homologous anatomy, but they have different function. This theory is called homologous divergent. Please remember, this is called homologous divergent. Means structurally same but different functions. There are 4 examples. In plant, the thorn of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita is an example of homologous divergent. The heart of bat, man and cheetah have similar structure, and brain of bat, man and cheetah also have similar structure, and homology indicate common ancestry. They come from same origin. Homology indicate common ancestry means they come from common origin. Now in analogous convergent, analogous organ that have different origin, different structure but same function. They are like wings of bird and wings of butterfly. Both are used for flying, but their structures are different. Potato is root and potato is a stem is an example of analogy. Flippers of penguins and flippers of dolphin, they are structurally different in origin but same function. Eye of octopus and eye of man are the same in function, but they are different in origin. That is called analogous convergent. There are many questions asked on this topic. This topic is very important. This is homologous divergent and analogous convergent. I'll show you some questions. Tell me student, flippers of penguins and dolphin are example of, yes, this is example of convergent evolution. Next question is, similarity of bone structure in the 4 limbs of many vertebrates is an example of. Similar structure means homology, right? Now answer this question and comment me. Next topic is Miller experiment or Urey experiment. Tell me student, and non-living chemicals gives rise of life? How? And listen very carefully, okay? In 1953, experiment shocked the world, support the chemical origin of life. This experiment is called Miller-Urey experiment, okay? In this experiment, Miller created closed glass apparatus. This is water flask representing ocean here, and the glass chamber. This glass chamber contain gases. Which gases in it? Methane, ammonia, water, vapors and hydrogen, and electric electrodes gives lightning. Okay, water was heated here and as soon as water heated, vapors are generated, and these vapors are mixed with gases. After 1 week, brownish liquid collected and analysis was there is some amino acid generated there. Which amino acid? Alanine, glycine and aspartic acid, some fat and some kind of pigments and sugars are collected in this flask. Okay, amino acid is the building block of protein. These experiments support chemical evolution, and lives come from non-living things. So life did not appear suddenly. Evolved step by step from simple chemicals. And one more thing I want to add. In Miller experiment, Miller says that early Earth atmosphere was no oxygen. In the Miller experiment, there are some questions asked on this experiment. I'll show you. This question asked in 2006. Which of the following amino acid was not found to be synthesized in Miller experiment? I think alanine, glycine and aspartic acid and the glutamic acid is not formed. So life come from non-living thing. Do you know, student, why do some organisms survive or while others disappear forever, like dinosaurs? Is nature is very cruel or nature is very intelligent? The widely accepted theory is Darwin's theory. Darwin's theory is called natural selection. This theory was proposed by Charles Darwin. Darwin observed that organism produce more offspring than required. Second, he observed resources are limited. And third is individual shows variation. Now I will explain. Wait. The organism which are provided with favorable variations would survive because they are fittest to face their surrounding, while until unfit are destroyed. मीन्स जो ऑर्गेनिज्म अडॉप्ट करते हैं एनवायरमेंट के साथ वो ज्यादा सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं. सो द नेचर सिलेक्ट देम. So main principle of Darwin theory I will tell you. Overproduction में ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन करो. Like organism, like fish lays thousands of eggs, only few are survive. Overproduction. And then second is variation. No two individuals are exactly same. There are some difference in them. Some are useful, some are harmful, some are neutral. Variations are found in organism or same species have variation. And the useful variations help in survival. And the third is survival of fittest. Only organism with favorable variation survive. Fittest does not mean strongest, means best adapted to the environment. जो भी useful variations होते हैं and appear more prominently. So Mr. Darwin ने हमें दी है natural selection की theory. Okay, and the next theory is mutation theory was proposed by Hugo the Veris ने हमें mutation theory दी है. Okay, उन्होंने कहा है he believed that mutation causes evolution. And mutation are discontinuous variation and it is random and directionless. And single step large mutations are occur. This is called saltatory phenomena. But unfortunately later found that actually mutation is a chromosomal aberrations only. This video will become more longer. So next theory is covered in next another video. So stay tuned with me. Like, share with your friend and please subscribe my channel. It is free.